If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
All right, folks. No call here. Let's get right to it. Here we go. Okay. All right, my friends. Now these were sent to me from Greg Swan, I believe. How do you spell that?
Swan.
Swan. Well, hope I didn't butcher it. Thank you, Greg. So, let's see what we got here. All right. A really nice, well, it looks like a Kaweco, but it's not. It's a different pen, which I will explain later. Got a different nib, but yeah, I think I may have reviewed one of these in the past, and I'll let y'all look at these real quick. 159. Now here's a Pen BBS. Nice pens. All of them are nice pens, rather. Here's a 699 by China. A Wing Song. Yep. And last but not least, excuse me, another Pen BBS. And I will be getting to these real soon, God willing. And then we got something in here. Okay. It would help. Let me see here. All right. 699, another one looks like. Made in China. Kind of reminds me of it's a Pilot. I forgot the number of that Pilot, excuse me. But, very nice pen. Very nice pen. Fine nibs. Yeah, I'll be reviewing these. Folks, that's going to do it for tonight. Hope you have a great, great day. Until next time, I'll just hold a little of these jewels up. See ya.